Why does it sound like my baby is gasping for air while breastfeeding?
Many babies make loud, gulping, or even gasping sounds at the breast, and it's often normal. Fast milk flow, a strong letdown, immature suck-swallow-breathe coordination, or a slipped latch can cause big gulps and noisy breaths. Try a more upright or laid-back hold, check the latch, and clear mild nasal stuffiness. But if your baby looks like they're truly struggling to breathe, turns blue, chokes repeatedly, or isn't gaining weight, seek medical care right away.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.